Tom is a young man. He lives in a small village near green hills. Many people in the village have sheep, gardens, and small houses. Every morning, Tom takes the sheep to the hill. He knows the road well. He walks past a small shop and a quiet well. Then Tom opens a wooden gate. The sheep walk slowly behind him. On the hill, the sheep eat grass in the morning sun. Tom sits under an old tree. He has bread, water, and a warm coat. His job is simple, but the day is long. Tom looks at the village below. He sees people working. Some people carry water. Some people work in their gardens. Ben, the farmer, fixes a fence near his house. Marta, an old woman, carries a basket. Everyone in the village is busy. Tom is not busy. He watches the sheep and waits. The wind is soft. The sheep are quiet. Soon, Tom feels very bored. Then Tom has a bad idea. He stands up and puts his hands near his mouth. He shouts, "Wolves! Wolves! Please help me!" The people in the village hear him. They stop their work at once. They run up the hill with sticks and stones. They are afraid for Tom and the sheep, but there are no wolves. The sheep are safe. Tom laughs and points at the trees. "It is only a joke," Tom says. "I wanted to see you run." The people are angry and tired. Marta says, "Tom, this is not funny. We leave our work because we want to help you." Tom looks away. Ben says, "A call for help is important. Do not use it for a joke." Tom looks at the ground, but he does not say sorry. The next day, Tom takes the sheep to the hill again. At first, he is quiet. He eats his bread and watches the road. But soon the day feels long again. Tom smiles to himself. He remembers the people running. Then he stands up again. He shouts, "Wolves! Wolves! Help me!" Again, the people run up the hill. Again, they find no wolves. Tom laughs loudly under the tree. This time, nobody laughs with him. Marta shakes her head, and Ben looks serious. Ben says, "Tom, people must trust your words. If you lie, trust becomes weak." Tom hears the words, but he does not think deeply. On the third day, the sky is gray. The air is cold. The sheep stand near the trees. Tom hears a strange sound behind him. He turns around and sees two real wolves. They are close to the sheep. Tom feels cold inside. His hands begin to shake. He jumps up and shouts, "Wolves! Wolves! Please help me! This time it is true! Please come quickly!" The people in the village hear him, but they do not run. One man says, "Tom is making the same joke again." Tom shouts again and again, but the people do not believe him. They remember his lies, and they stay in the village. The wolves run at the sheep. The sheep cry and run in many directions. Tom throws stones and waves his coat, but he cannot stop the wolves. At last, the wolves leave the hill. Some sheep are gone. Tom sits on the wet grass. He is sad, afraid, and sorry. In the evening, the people come to the hill. Tom says, "I am sorry, I lied before. Today I told the truth, but nobody believed me." Marta sits beside him. She says, "When a person lies many times, people stop listening. Truth is important every day, not only on bad days." Tom nods slowly. "I understand now," he says. After that day, Tom does not shout for fun. Slowly, the village trusts him again.